All right, so I'm getting ready to show you all how to make my Cheesecake Factory dirty portobello mushroom sandwich, vegan, obviously, and my Michael says it's amazing dirty corn. And I must say, I'm a good cook. Damn, this is delicious. I mean, yeah. Okay, so one of the first things you want to do is you want to cut up the portobello mushroom. I prefer nice thin slices. Fits better on the bread. Because I'm awesome, I already pre-cut some of these. So we're good to go there. Now, next thing. Set this aside. Bring over the burner. All right, this thing, turn it all the way up. Because if it ain't hot, what's the point, right? Next thing to take that, put that on there. You know, obviously that's how you have to cook things. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my butter right here. It's vegan butter, 100% vegan butter. Earth's Balance vegan buttery sticks. I'm gonna let that do its thing there. And this one's gonna be for the dirty corn. I'm gonna leave the buttery stick over here as well. Let it do the same thing. Now I'm gonna add the portobello mushrooms. Now you can buy, like I said, you can buy the caps pre-sliced. I just never do it. You get more with the whole cap. Like a whole cap was like $5 for 5 of them. And you get 14 ounces compared to ones that are pre-sliced where you only get like 6 ounces. Took a little bit more butter, put it on the top. What am I lying to? I'm gonna use all of it. There we go. Now we're out of butter. Now, what I'm going to use here is going to be some, what is this, frozen corn? Just flash frozen corn, nothing crazy, because a lot of times I don't have like regular corn just laying around. Now, as you can see, this is also right here. This is some thyme, some mint leaves, a little more thyme, some rosemary, and some sage. All right, so all that is going to go into the dirty corn. So you gotta make sure when you're doing it that you're stirring up the portobellos, making sure they get nice and buttery. Same thing with the corn. Add a little bit of seasoning. For the corn and both, I'm going to use this right here. Tajin. It's a Jalisco seasoning. I don't know. I get it from the International Food Market, and I use it on everything that I want to taste like super south of the border. Some of that on there. Some of that in there. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of this Flavor God Taco Tuesday seasoning. It's okay. It's all right. In both as well. Peppercorn. Himalayan pink salt. ground turmeric, some minced garlic, chipotle chili pepper, some sliced jalapenos, and a little bit of the juice. And some more Taco Tuesday. So I'm going to cook the corn down until it's a nice reduction where there's not much left. Same thing, as much as possible with the Portobello. And the corn is getting to its nice crisp as well. Nice bit of color. You know, to make it look dirty, it has to be darkened. Okay, so everything looks good. Now it's time to take everything off, set everything aside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the portobellos, put them into a bowl. Take the corn. Corn set. Now I'm going to take the bread and set it on here just to get a little bit of char. That's the Cheesecake Factory bread. Found it at my local Giant. Got excited. Ran through the store like an idiot. All right, so bread's done. Turn it off. Now it's time to plate it up. Now you take the bread, lay it out. I'm going to add a little bit of this holy aioli, vegan, holy habanero, the holy dip spread thing to it. So I like stuff like that. Some alfalfa sprouts. And then add the portobellos. That's it. That's how you make dirty portobello, mushroom, Cheesecake Factory, dirty rice thing. This is how you make it. I did it. You did it. We did it together. Any questions? Leave them in the comment below.